To transfer money on FNB without an app, there are several methods available. Through cell phone banking, you can dial the FNB USSD code, select the Send Money option, and then navigate to the e-wallet section. From there, enter the account you want to transfer the money from, input the recipient's cell phone number, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to review the amount and the cell phone number to confirm they are correct, and then enter your PIN. Once this is complete, you will receive a transaction message. Alternatively, you can use internet banking to transfer money. Start by logging in to the FNB online banking website. Choose the Send Money option, and then click on Once Off. Enter the recipient's cell phone number and the amount you want to transfer, and select the account you want to transfer the money from, which can be found at the bottom right corner. Review the cell phone number and the amount to ensure they are correct, and then click on Confirm. Finally, enter your one-time PIN to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money on FNB without the need for an app.